Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher, and today is our third lecture of week 4 from chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computer. First we discuss the recap of the previous lesson, in which we discuss about the hardware engineer, network administrators, and database administrators, and web designer. Hardware engineer, you learned that the hardware engineer is responsible for design and manufacturing the computer hardware, and also responsible for repairing and maintenance of computer hardware, and they have in-depth knowledge of internal working of computer system. And the network administrator is the person who is responsible for the design, implementation, and maintenance, installation, configuration, and maintenance of computer networks in the organization. And the database administrator is responsible for design, implementation, and maintenance of the database of the organization, and also responsible for maintaining and monitoring the performance of database. Web designer is a person whose job is to plan and create the websites, and they use the HTML language for creating the website. Here is our today's lecture, in which we discuss about the multimedia engineer, multimedia designer, information security analyst, and computer teacher. First we discuss the multimedia designer. Multimedia designer basically the people who analyze and present the information in an attractive manner. They are responsible for they use the projector and present the information to attract the audience and develop the audience interest for learn about different type of information and listen the lecture, etc. They combine the text, graphics, animation, audio, and video to make their project more attractive, and they create the digital images and arrange them in a sequence for creating the animation. Like if you want to create the animation of pictures, animation is just like a moving video, and it's need a sequence of pictures to create the animation. Like if I have the picture of bike and want to wants that these bikes and want to create animation that the bike in a traveling form, then I arrange the pictures of bikes in a sequence and create the animation to show that the bike is traveling on the road. They also have a skills to edit and manipulate the audio and videos. Like they work in the film and TV industries to edit the videos, to change the video effects, colors, background, etc. And they combine different videos or separate the videos and edit the text between them, etc. Information security analyst. The information security analyst is a person whose job to protect the information and information system from unauthorized access. They are responsible for protecting their information from unauthorized users by taking some measures, like by using password and different other security techniques to prevent their information from unauthorized and unauthorized access and from hacker and crackers. And they are also responsible for implements different procedures and policies to ensure the information security. Like they use different security measures and procedures to prevent their information from unauthorized access. Like they use username and passwords, pin code, access card to enter the different security places, and they use biometric system to for unauthorized for protecting the your organization from unauthorized people. And similarly different other procedures are implement to secure our information and information system from unauthorized attack. The next is computer teacher. Computer teacher is a person who teach the subject of computer. Like me, I am teach you the subject of computer, and they also conduct the lesson how to operate and working of the computer. They arrange the practical classes to discuss or learn the students to how to use the computer and how to use the different software of the computer system, and uh, how we are we are use computer to create the documents, presentations, excel sheets, etc. They um, teach the students, and they are also teach how to develop the computer programs. They teach you the different programming language to develop the computer programs. Like in the 10th class you learn about the C language, in second year you learn about C++. Similarly, in different classes you learn you learn about different languages to develop the computer program. So this is our today's lecture, in which we discuss multimedia designer, information security analyst, and computer teacher. And the assignment of your this lecture is write a short note on information security analyst and multimedia designer. Hope so you understand this lecture, and if you have any question or query you can ask from me.